Parents love products that support kids' speech, focus, and development, but when it comes to JoySpring Lingo Leap, the big question is, does it really help cognitive or language development, or is it just marketing? Let's break it down. So Lingo Leap is a liquid kids supplement containing ingredients like zeolite, methylated B12, and vitamin D3, marketed to support balance, focus, expression, and daily routines in children. The brand also touts improvements in communication and speech milestones. Some parents report encouraging changes in speech, focus, or engagement when using Lingo Leap, especially alongside therapy or structured learning. But independent sources and community feedback are mixed. Many users see no noticeable difference, and there's no strong clinical evidence proving the supplement causes real cognitive or development gains on its own. In fact, experts warn that marketing often frames underlying issues like speech delay as deficiency problems solved by pills, which isn't supported by pediatric research. Supplements with B12 and D3 can support general health if a child is deficient, but they're not a miracle cure for speech or cognitive delays. Real development progress usually comes from professional guidance, nutrition, and targeted learning activities, not drops alone. The final verdict: Lingo Leap might offer mild support for overall wellness or focus, but there's no strong proof it significantly boosts cognitive development or speech by itself. Think of it as a potential supplemental support, not a standalone solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.